Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your smart TV is updated and on a stable network. This prevents playback hiccups. Once done, open the App Store, install Vi Movies and TV, and sign in with your Vi credentials. The app links to your purchases and preferences. Make sure your account has active streaming rights, otherwise, purchases won't show. If asked, accept permissions for storage and device access so downloads and casting work smoothly. Now you configure playback settings so picture and bandwidth align with your setup. You should set picture mode to cinema or standard for better color, and choose auto or 4K streaming quality based on your internet speed. This balances data use versus sharpness. Next, link your phone by opening the Vi app on both devices and entering the on-screen code, or enable local casting over the same Wi-Fi. That gives you remote control. Finally, pick a title and press play. You can also download for offline viewing when prompted, which stores files in the app's downloads. While playing, use your remote to toggle subtitles, switch audio tracks, and scrub chapters to skip intros or jump scenes. If video stutters or sign-in fails, reboot the TV, check your router and Wi-Fi, and reauthorize your Vi account in settings. That clears token errors and usually restores normal playback quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.